So let us consider this Wikipedia page on Srinivasa Ramanujan. If I want to save this content onto my computer so that I can access it whenever I need, even without internet, I could save this page. So let us learn how to save this page. To save a page, we can choose the Save Page As option. The Save Page As option is under the File option in the menu bar. Sometimes this menu bar will not be available, and if it's not, all you have to do is press the Alt key on your keyboard. If you press the Alt key, you will find this menu bar pop up, and under that click on File and you can choose Save Page As. This dialog box of Save As dialog box appears. It has broadly this one section which allows you to choose where it is saved, which folder it is saved. Right now I want to save it on desktop, but I also want to create a folder on the desktop where I want to save, and I will call this folder Ramanujan, and I click on create. That will create a folder, and this is the name of the file. I don't want to make any changes to that. It's called Srinivasa Ramanujan wikipedia.html. I'm storing it in this folder. Over here at the bottom I have three options. I have text files, I have HTML only, and web page complete. Let's try all of these one by one and see what comes up. Let us first choose HTML only. Let's see what happens. I click on save, and this blue arrow indicates that it has been saved. Let me close this file. Let me open this tab so that I don't want to close Firefox. I want to close only this tab so it's not open. And this is the folder it has created. Let's see what's in it. There is one file that it has saved. It's called the same file name I gave there, Srinivasa Ramanujan wikipedia.html. Let me double click on that, and we notice here that it has no images. It has everything else. It has the text, it has even the mathematical equations and so on. It also has retained the hyperlinks, all the blue colored text. I can click on them and the hyperlinks will work, but it has no images, and this is because I chose HTML only. Now let's see the other option we have. I will close this. I will delete whatever has been downloaded. All I have to do is go inside, choose this, and trash it. So this folder is empty. Let me show you that it's empty. Let me try saving it again. I need to return to the web page I was browsing. I can do that easily by clicking on the menu and choosing history. It will be stored in history. I know this is the file on Wikipedia, so it opens again. This time, instead of saving it as HTML only, I want to save it as web page complete, and let's see what the difference is. I choose web page complete. Name of the file is same, the destination, which folder I want to save is same, and I click on save. Let me minimize this and see what's saved. You have, unlike last time, this time you have two elements. One is a folder and the other one is a file. Let's see the contents of the folder first. There seems to be a lot of images. I know that because most of the files end with .png extension or .svg or GIF. Those are image formats, and I remember seeing this image on the web page. So it saved all the images in a separate folder, and it has one other file that it has saved. So let me double click on that to see what comes up. Yes, this is more like the page I visited. It has got the images and the formatting that I am used to on the Wikipedia page. So this saving is much closer to what I require. If you notice in the address bar, you see that it doesn't say HTTPS. Unlike the web version, this is the web version, the first tab. Let's see what that says. It says https en.wikipedia.org. Let's see what this one says. Home, Gururaj, desktop, Ramanujan. So this file is opening from my desktop, and this file is opening from the internet, and they're both pretty close to each other, except some images are missing, like the Wikipedia image is missing, which is fine with me. So let me close this. Let me not close Firefox, let me close all of these other things. So let me again empty this folder. I'll select everything, and next we will try, after emptying this folder, we'll try what happens when you choose text only. Again, go to history, choose, this is home GuruRaj desktop, which is why it's not opening, and that's not the one I wanted. I want to open the one from the internet, which is this one, because it says n.wikipedia. This is the better one. So let me close this. So now let us click on File, Save Page As. I'll leave everything as is. The only thing we are playing around with is text files. So let me choose text files this time, and then click on Save. Okay, so it is saved. Now let's see what's actually saved. So it's similar to the first option, which is an HTML file. So let me double click and see what's in it. Wow, so you see it's lost the formatting. There are no images in it. Even the mathematical formulae are not easily understandable. It's completely ASCII or text only. Not a lot of people prefer this, because it's really difficult to use this information without the formatting. So let me just close that, and again delete it as well, because I don't think I will use it. So to summarize, how do we save a web page? File, Save Page As, give a name, choose where you want to save it, and then my recommendation is that you choose Web Page Complete and click on Save, and that will save the web page pretty close to what the web page actually looks like.